Hi there, what's up? Welcome back to Ecofunnomics. I am Dr. Shreya Roy, the founder of Ecofunnomics, and today is session 3 for data analytics using SPSS. We are going to be learning central tendency that will mostly focus on mean, median, mode, and apart from that, we are also going to be covering skewness and kurtosis. That is the topic for today's session. If you do not know already about the certificate course that is being provided by Ecofunnomics, so this you can enroll into our international certificate course. You're going to get an international and Government of India recognized certificate. All you need to do is go and register yourself in the link down below. We are running the course all around the year, so you should not be having a problem. And Ecofunnomics is an international research and data analytics company serving knowledge across 160 countries. We are currently registered under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Startup India, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Education, Skill India, and MSME. That's about it. Now let's roll into today's session. For the book, we have the book ready for SPSS, that is data analytics using SPSS. If you want the book, again, comment down below or contact us on contact@ecofunnomics.com. We should send it, mail it to you, or courier it to you. That's about it. If you haven't already watched our lecture 1 and 2, please go ahead and do that because that will help you to learn how to import a data, open a data, and all the important nicks and knacks. Okay, so I am assuming that you are aware what is mean, median, and mode. If you're not, quickly I'm going to give you a grasp of the theory. So mean is basically when you're trying to calculate the average, that is, you add all the observation and divide it by the total number of observation, that is called as the mean or the average of the total data. On the other hand, median is when you arrange the data in the ascending or the descending order, and then the middle value becomes your median. So if it is even number of observation, then you do n by 2, and if it is odd number of observation, you do n plus 1 by 2. Now coming to mode, mode is basically when a particular number is repeated the maximum number of times. That becomes the mode for that particular data. Now, for example, if you have 1 3 times and 2 3 times, then 1 will also be the mode and 2 will also be the mode. But for SPSS, since 1 is the lowest value, it will report 1 to you. So be cautious regarding this. However, you do not have this problem while you're tackling mode in Excel. So we also have our data analytics course on Excel. If you haven't watched them as yet, I'll link them up in the iCard. Watch it. So for example, we have this data and I want to calculate the mean for profit, sales, and ad. What do? I go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, and Profit, Sales, and Statistics. Select Mean over here and Continue. And click on OK. So what do we see? We see the mean for profit is 3.756 and for sales it is 10.59. Okay, so that is very easily done. Now let's quickly add a data, create a data of our own, and let's see whether we can do it or not. Let's call the data A. It's a numeric data. We don't want any decimal places, reducing it to 0 and make it scale. Okay. So over here. Okay. 2, 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, and 7. Okay. So this is my data, and now we want to calculate the median. So as I mentioned earlier, for median, you need to arrange the data in either ascending order or descending order. But when you're doing it using a software, obviously you do not have to worry about such things because the software does it for you. So what do? We go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Descriptive, oh, sorry, Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, uh, Reset, select a statistics, click on median, click on continue, click on OK. Okay, so now our median is 4.50. Okay, now similarly, if we want to do the mode, analyze, descriptive statistics, frequency, statistics, let's select mean, median, mode, and sum, and click on continue and click on OK. So we have a mean of 4.42, median of 4.50, and mode 7, and a sum of 53. So that's our whole thing, or the central tendency. Obviously, you can do it with more than one variable at a time. Now let's quickly, so there was 7 4 times and 2 3 times. Just for the sake of understanding the mode better, let us just take a look. I removed 1 7. So now we have 2 and 7, the exact number of times. Now let's try to analyze descriptive statistics, frequencies, statistics, and everything done. Continue. Okay. So what do we get? Everything is same. Okay. But so mean is changed from 4.42 to 4.18, and median has changed from 4.50 to 4, and the mode has changed from 7 to 2. But we have a note over here which says multiple modes exist. The smallest value is shown. So I hope I could explain you mean, median, mode. If you want more explanation, please drop a comment down below. I will definitely get back to you. I might take a little time. Sometimes YouTube is not the place where we respond that quickly, but definitely you can reach to us on our WhatsApp number displaying on the screen, and email it to us. I am pretty quick. I reply to every email every day. So yeah. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a video. See you in the next session. Until then, bye.